Hello teacher, I have just finished university and now I have a big choice. How to spend my 1 year break or gap year. I have three options. Having a volunteer work abroad, getting an international internship or a camp job, or just traveling the world. After thinking hard, I believe the best choice is getting an international internship or a camp job. I chose option 2, international internship and jobs. This is the best because this helped me get ready for my future job. First, I get real work experience. An internship lets me use what I learned at school and develop important skills like working with a team or leading a project. This is much better than just traveling. Also, working abroad shows future process that I can work with different people and adapt to new place. Second, this often is often better for my money. Many internship or contract pay me or give me a small salary. This makes my rap year affordable and lets me build a network of professional friends. I just know volunteering. Helping people is great, but volunteering often has two problems. It can cost a lot of money, and the worst, I do might not directly have my main career. I have to pay for my own flight and stay, and the skill I learn might not the specific skill I need for my first job. Traveling is fun and gave me freedom, but the main problem is that this is very expensive and does not help my career. While I learned about culture, a year of just traveling doesn't. So employers that I have learned professional skill or work discipline. It's a holiday, not an investment. To sum up, my frag year need to be helpful for my future volunteering, e-kind and traveling in exciting, but international internship and contract give me the most benefit. They have my learn skill, make professional contract, and are easier on my wallet. This shows this choice will give me a stronger start when I look for permanent job later. Thank you for listening.